In this video, I am going to tell you how you can download the firmware file of the Xiaomi Redmi A15 A5. You can call POCO C71 Firmware. Okay, in this video, my purpose is to describe our solutions and step by step guide you the options that you can follow up them and easily you can download the firmware file. Currently I have not this device available on my desk, that is why I will just show you my Samsung device with you and guide you the step by step options, so one by one you are seeing my laptop screen and my mobile screen as well. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I would like to ask my Cloudy, okay, how can I, okay, guide me short. Okay, I will follow up the enable bootloader developer download options. Enable them one by one step. I will show you on my screen. Okay, so for this you need to download the Xiaomi MiFlash software. Okay, you are seeing the I already downloaded and let me launch the Xiaomi MI software with you for you. Okay, yeah, I would like to allow. Okay, he is asking me to install the drivers, Google driver, NVIDIA driver, Microsoft driver, and Microsoft driver. Number five, Qualcomm driver. Okay, continue. Now here you are seeing the display of the MI software. I would like to pick up a link from here, and I will put the link here and the MiFlash tool you need to download from any website, but the official website MiFlash download you need to download from here. Okay, easily you can download. It's just less than 9 to 10 MBs. Okay, I already downloaded it. You are seeing. Okay, here I will download the fastboot web file for you, that is globally worldwide. The file size you are seeing the 4.6 Android version 15. You can download from here by clicking on this button. So the file is generating. Okay, here are the options. You are seeing download from the MI server. It's showing me the file where to place the file. I would like to place the file here. Okay, save the file. So here are some instructions, you need to follow them. He is saying that if the fast boot from your the last file format, if it's not tgz, then you need to rename them from the .jz to the tjz at the end. Then you need to extract the file by the WinRAR software. Okay, for the fast boot, you need to download the Xiaomi Flash this one. Okay, once the file download properly, you can see the file is 4.6 GB file, which means that it will take a lot of the time to complete. There, the file name is Serenity Global Images. You are seeing. Okay, I will open this like this, and the drivers are installing automatically in the background. Install the driver if tool required. Press select and select the firmware and select to firmware folder what included. Flash underscore all dot bat. Okay, it's saying that like this option. Okay, I would like to follow this like this option from here where I save the file. I need to extract that file on the folder. Like I'm going to my PC. Okay, no, local disk E. Okay, Xiaomi here. Here I will place my file and then I will choose this folder. couldn't find flash script because it's still downloading. Okay, almost you are at the end of the step, so make sure your phone are unblocked bootloader. What does it mean? So let's unblock the phone. Okay, where is the cloudy? Here you can see. Here also showing the exact way exactly. So how can I do unblock bootloader on the same device? I will do the same steps on my Samsung device. You can easily follow up them and you can do yourself as well. We already have a firmware file. Right now, we don't need any file that accurately matched by IMI number. Okay, so he is saying me to go to the for enabling the developer option. I would like to go to setting and about phone. I am using the Samsung phone and the software information. Okay, in the Samsung, you are seeing the software information, but in the Xiaomi, you need to follow up the MIUI Hyper OS version. Okay, here in the Samsung build number, I will top up to 7 times, but in the Redmi, you need to top up to 7 times on the Hyper OS version. Then, like I am doing, okay, it will ask the password once you are seeing developer mode has enabled. Now I would like to go back and see the developer option. Go to setting, additional setting, and then developer option. Enable USB debugging and OEM. So here you are seeing the OEM option in the Samsung. Put the password. You can do same on your Xiaomi enable, and you are seeing the USB debugging enable. So that's all from the smartphone device. Now you need to put the data cable original from the Samsung to the laptop to connect both of them accurately. Okay, the tool I already downloaded. Now uh, I would like to switch off my smartphone, and then after I will follow up the power button and volume down button. Keep continuously touch till I see any screen on the smartphone. Okay, you connect with the USB. You are seeing you connected with the USB. Volume down button. And my option. Okay, like you can see the file is downloading still. So once the file downloaded, I already complete 6 step and I reach at the step 7. You can see step 7 here. I will refresh. Okay, once all the files everything completed properly, you can easily do yourself very easily. We already bootload unlocked the okay, unblock the bootloader already, then flash press fresh. That's all for now. We'll meet in another video. If you are getting any problem, any issue, you can comment on the video. I will try to make the proper video for you. We'll meet in another video. Thank you so much for watching.